Okay, as I mentioned yesterday, a truck did come in for CVS, and you will see the signs limit one like product, and they still have toilet paper. They have the Charmin, the Mega Charmin, the Charmin, and then they also have paper towels, and they have plenty of paper towels over here. And I was really surprised to see that they have a rather large stock compared to back here. Of course, the limit is to one. Let's see what my local Walgreens, not local Walgreens, what my local Walmart has. At all. I just kind of want to track that. Here we go inside. Okay, this is the Walmart that I spoke to the lady at last time that gets a truck in every day. The meat section is completely cleared. There were no limits on that, however. The other side with dairy and juices, pretty much about the same. They do have some meats more coming back in. The huge things of cheese. Let's get back to the back and check on the chicken, toilet paper, and disinfectant wipes. They do have more bread than they had last time, which is actually good. And they still have that buttermilk pie. Has anybody ever tried that? It looks good, but just buttermilk pie doesn't strike me as something that would I would wake up craving it one night. Here we go, guys. Water for days. Okay, some sense of normalcy coming back. Again, there is a limit of one. At that time, there were no limits, which is why they were completely wiped out of water. But you know what? This kind of helps everybody get the water. Look at that, 32 pack. That's not bad at all. The Sunny Water, huge packs. They just have tons of water. All right, well, maybe they'll have the same in toilet paper and paper towels. Okay, apparently easy come, easy go. While they still have a ton of milk, the egg section that we last saw, completely empty. The meat section is not even as healthy as it was last time. Even the more expensive ground beef, gone. There's still plenty of baby wipes and diapers going down this aisle. Okay, I was at least hoping to see one pack of toilet paper and not the same paper towels are here for 50 cents that we saw last time. I don't see anything this way either that's not been unpacked. No, nothing that will go down this aisle. Okay, I must admit the cleaning aisle is looking a little bit better than it was last time I was here. Look at this, they actually have some of these, and it's my understanding when they put them out earlier that they go pretty quickly. And a sales associate just told me to follow him, so we might have something amazing. Oh my gosh, there we go, Clorox wipes, guys. They are coming in every day. Thank you, sir. Get to your stores, get to them early. Okay, that sales associate was so incredibly helpful. Look at this, guys. It's the Walmart name brand, but it's the Lysol spray, and I was down to just 2 or 3, so wow. This is really good. Clorox wipes really good. Get to your local neighborhood Walmart. I think they're much better equipped to handle this. Okay, I just have to show you my receipt. I did pick up these 2 items. I don't mind that that's a Walmart brand. I do like that they have the 409 and a name brand. Here's my receipt. So it was $2.74 for the lemon cleaner here, and for the generic disinfectant spray, the great value was $2.98. So total $5.72, $6.23 after tax. So guys, they are, I'm not sure if it's normalcy or they're just cutting back on the quantity, but we are starting to see the items that you need in the store, and it is really late in the evening. So if you have to do some shopping, chances are you're probably starting to find these things now. All right, guys, until next time, be happy, be healthy, be safe.